Hey, what's up guys? It's Rob from Paragon. Thanks for joining me on another customer car spotlight. Today we're going to be checking out Travis's black C8 Corvette behind me. It's tastefully decked out with a whole bunch of Paragon performance mods. So come along, let's go check it out. Starting off at the front of this car here, you'll notice Travis has gone ahead and done one of my personal favorite products we offer here at Paragon. It is the GRILLE bezel LED light bars. Adds just that little bit of pop and makes your C8 Corvette stand out from the rest, and it just looks cool. Moving down from that, he's gone ahead and protected his radiator fins with the Paragon Performance Grille Guards, one of the must-have products for your C8 Corvette. You'll also notice he added a little bit of carbon flash up here in the front with the Paragon Performance front lip, and bringing a little pop of red up here, he's got the racing tow hook. Moving wide into the side now, you'll notice this car looks like every other car that we've done a spotlight on. And that's because Travis has gone ahead and done the two essential mods every C8 Corvette should have. Say it with me, lowering and wheel spacers. If you're planning on keeping your OEM stock wheels, you've got to get the Paragon Performance wheel spacers. It just pushes it out a quick little 20 millimeters, makes the wheel flushed with the side of the car, and overall just improves the look of the car. He's also gone ahead and done the Stage 2 lowering kit, which is the Paragon lowering collars in the front, coilover turn down in the rear, as well as springs all around. If you look a little bit closer, he's gone ahead and done the Paragon Performance sequential turn signal mirror cap. It's a smoked lens rather than a clear, so kind of just adds to that black theme going on. And if you look a little bit closer, you'll notice he's gone ahead and upgraded from those ugly silver stock lug nuts to the Vossen black lug nuts, which overall just go a lot better with the face of the wheel. Moving to the back of the car now, you'll notice Travis has gone ahead and done all the Paragon Performance taillight overlay tints you can do, which just black out this area up here and leave you with the nice little red hockey stick. What goes good with red? Well, even more red. That's why he's done the racing tow hook in red as well. He's also gone ahead and made the great choice of the Paragon Touring exhaust with the gloss black tips, as well as the exhaust heat shield blackouts, which gets rid of that ugly silver OEM heat shield back there. And of course, you can't forget about the Paragon Performance license plate frame. Moving to the engine bay now, you'll notice Travis has spiced his up with the Paragon Performance billet bars, the strut tower covers in a carbon fiber, which goes great with the Paragon carbon fiber hood struts. He's also gone ahead and done the Paragon caps in a red all around the car. And the crown jewel of this car would have to be the Eventuri carbon fiber intake, which has a clear cover so you can actually see it. And it's carbon fiber and actually is one of the highest horsepower gaining intakes on the market. We highly recommend it. We love it here at Paragon. It's one of our personal favorites. And I mean, come on, it just looks cool. Moving to the inside of this car now, the interior of it is like vegetables at an all-you-can-eat buffet. It is untouched, which is perfectly fine. With the red stitching and the red and black leather, the interior of this is beautiful and fits the outside aesthetic of the car. However, he has gone ahead and done the red carbon fiber key cover and the Paragon Performance wide angle mirrors, which who doesn't love more visibility? That's gonna wrap it up for this customer car spotlight. Huge shout out to Travis for bringing his car out here. Believe it or not, Travis actually had his car delivered from the dealership to Paragon Performance before he even got to see it, and had us put all these goodies on so it was ready to rock and roll when he got it for the first time. Thank you so much, Travis. We love the car here. It is beautiful with the stripes and all the different accents on there. All the products on Travis's car and that you saw in this video are going to be linked in the description down below. And while you're there, why not leave us a like and a comment letting us know what you thought of this customer car spotlight. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell notification button. I'm Rob with Paragon, and I will see you guys in the next video.